Which countries are located to India's north? A. China, Nepal, Bhutan. B. Pakistan, Afghanistan, China. C. Myanmar, Bangladesh, Nepal. D. Sri Lanka, Maldives, Bangladesh. The correct answer is A. China, Nepal, Bhutan. How many election commissioners does the Election Commission consist of, in addition to the Chief Election Commissioner? A. 1. B. 2. C. 4. D. 3. The correct answer is B. 2. Why has India been identified as a great partner for OPEC? A. Because of its political influence. B. Because of its technological advancements. C. Because of its large oil reserves. D. Because of its high oil demand. The correct answer is D. Because of its high oil demand. From which college did Anand graduate? A. Ramnath College. B. St. Joseph's College, Trichy. C. Madras Institute. D. IIT Madras. The correct answer is B. St. Joseph's College, Trichy. How is the chairman of the Panchayat Union chosen? A. Elected by the people. B. Chosen from among its members. C. Selected by the district Panchayat. D. Appointed by the government. The correct answer is B. Chosen from among its members. Differences among people living in different parts of India can include their ways of what? A. Their favorite animal. B. Their way of life. C. Their preferred mode of transport. D. Their shoe size. The correct answer is B. Their way of life. The text lists village panchayat, panchayat union, and district panchayat as what kind of local bodies? A. State. B. National. C. Rural. D. Urban. The correct answer is C. Rural. What action is advised when approaching an uncontrolled zebra crossing to allow pedestrians to cross? A. Honk continuously. B. Speed up. C. Overtake other vehicles. D. Stop or slow down. The correct answer is D. Stop or slow down. What does road safety refer to? A. The number of traffic lights. B. The type of vehicles used. C. The speed limit on highways. D. Methods to be safe on the roads. The correct answer is D. Methods to be safe on the roads. Who did the athlete beat in the Indian National Carom Championship? A. An able-bodied kid. B. Reshmi Kumari. C. The winner of the Rio Paralympics. D. The former world champion. The correct answer is D. The former world champion. What article of the Constitution is related to the gunner's ordnance-making power? A. Article 356. B. Article 163. C. Article 123. D. Article 213. The correct answer is D. Article 213. Which amendment incorporated fundamental duties into the Constitution? A. 42nd Amendment Act. B. 44th Amendment Act. C. 73rd Amendment Act. D. 86th Amendment Act. The correct answer is A. 42nd Amendment Act. What is a measure the government is asked to protect? A. Women. B. Elderly. C. Minorities. D. Children. The correct answer is D. Children. Which phrase describes the variety of weather present in India? A. Consistent arid climate. B. Various types of weather patterns. C. Uniform humidity levels. D. Extreme temperature swings. The correct answer is B. Various types of weather patterns. How many recognized national parties were there in India in 2017? A. 6. B. 8. C. 5. D. 7. The correct answer is D. 7. What was the teacher's first action after the students greeted her? A. Discussing the government. B. Announcing the function. C. Asking about cultural programs. D. Taking attendance. The correct answer is D. Taking attendance. Which of these is mentioned as a local self-government? A. Kanchipuram. B. Salem. C. Chennai. D. Coimbatore. The correct answer is A. Kanchipuram. Which of the following is a type of foreign policy? A. Education. B. Diplomacy. C. Civil rights. D. Social welfare. The correct answer is B. Diplomacy. Where are Grama Sabha meetings held? A. Even in smaller villages. B. Only in large villages. C. Only in district headquarters. D. Only in villages with a Panchayat Sabha. The correct answer is A. Even in smaller villages. Who was the Premier of China when the Panchsheel Agreement was signed? A. Deng Xiaoping. B. Mao Zedong. C. Xi Jinping. D. Chu Yunlei. The correct answer is D. Chu Yunlei. Where is the headquarters of OPEC located? A. Vienna, Austria. B. Tehran, Iran. C. Baghdad, Iraq. D. Kuwait City, Kuwait. The correct answer is A. Vienna, Austria. What is the purpose of the people of India, union, and state governments coming together? A. To expand territory. B. To engage in international conflicts. C. To establish a new economic system. D. To fight against the miseries of human life. The correct answer is D. To fight against the miseries of human life. Under which article are fundamental duties given to the citizens of India? A. Article 21. B. Article 19. C. Not specified in text. D. Article 32. The correct answer is C. Not specified in text. What is the function of the Legislative Assembly in the context of state welfare? A. To discuss matters related to state welfare. B. To regulate national trade. C. To manage defense policies. D. To conduct foreign relations. The correct answer is A. To discuss matters related to state welfare. What allows people to take part in the direct governance of a country in a democracy? A. Hereditary succession. B. Rule by a single leader. C. Decision-making by a council of elders. D. Selection of representatives through elections. The correct answer is D. Selection of representatives through elections. Locating plains and valleys helps in understanding what aspect of the landscape? A. Structure of the landscape. B. Population density. C. Soil composition. D. Agricultural potential. The correct answer is A. Structure of the landscape. In which capacity does the governor serve as the head of a state? A. As the legislative head. B. As the constitutional head. C. As the financial head. D. As the administrative head. The correct answer is B. As the constitutional head. What role does the judiciary play in a democratic country like India? A. It is the custodian of citizens' rights. B. It is responsible for foreign relations. C. It manages the country's economic policies. D. It acts as the executive branch of government. The correct answer is A. It is the custodian of citizens' rights. Who does the governor appoint in universities within the state? A. Deans. B. Professors. C. Registrars. D. Vice-chancellors. The correct answer is D. Vice-chancellors. What is the time taken to play the national anthem? A. 50 seconds. B. 52 seconds. C. 20 seconds. D. 52 minutes. The correct answer is B. 52 seconds. How did you score?